Today I'm going to show you how to geolocalize a print in Smapshot. You can see me here zooming into Sagami Bay, where I want to geolocalize a print that I know quite well as I have visited this location before. The print that I select is a view of Enoshima Island from Shichirigahama Beach. I browse the prints at the bottom, as you can see. I select one, Turtle Island and Fuji, and I click on geolocalize. Then I mark the position of the viewer, and here it's called the photographer, so probably somewhere on the beach, and they're looking into the direction of the island and of Mount Fuji. I then click geolocalize, and this is what it's generated. It's a 3D model of the topology of the landscape. I first mark Mount Fuji in the background, it's quite prominent. I also zoom into the print to see the other features more detailed. And then I decide to mark the sides of the island, so not the new built parts, the more historical geological structure of the island to the left and to the right. And I also mark this buff that is visible on the shore when you zoom out a little bit, which you can do with the tools on the right. This allows me then to do a first geolocalization. I compute the position, and you can see that already the print has slotted into the 3D landscape model. If I hide the image, I can verify the points, and they already align quite well. This is also shown by these blue circles on the left. But I do decide to remove or relocate number 4, and then I also add some more points. I mark the village that is visible on the print and on the 3D model. And I also decide to mark some peaks in the background. So this gives me a little bit more distance and space and depth to play with, which helps with the accuracy of the geo-alignment. This point is not quite correct. It's shown as orange, so I do reposition it slightly. It could be saved like this though. Keep in mind that these are artistic images, so they're never 100% accurate in how they match. I compute the position again, and what you will see in a moment, yes, here is how it aligns quite well with a slightly view from top, but we can see the island is in place. It aligns with how the points are distributed in the landscape. I then can edit some metadata if I want, and I can also add an observation if I notice something particular about this print. And what I noticed here is that, unlike today, the island, Enoshima Island, is not connected to the shore via a bridge. So I think this is an interesting point of departure for further research. I can add this comment, I click next, and bravo, this is the first geolocalization.